Replace a soap dispenser. Pull the top up. You might loosen things up by just giving it a little twist. Go into the sink. We're going to want to find something like a little nut like this. Go into the sink. It's always tight. My favorite part about plumbing is like laying inside this little area in the cabinet. I'm able to spin this one all the way down because it's plastic and not metal. I'll need to get the bottle off first before I can get the black plastic piece off. I'll spin it until I can completely take this off. Now continue to spin this all the way off. I'll spin this off and it has a rubber washer on it, and this part up here will completely come out. I've got the old one completely out, and we'll dismantle this one so I can install it. Top out and the bottle out. This one has a rubber washer and a little foam one. It's super heavy. When I install the new one, I can leave this one down just a little bit. I can put the bottle back into place. I'm not going to fill it with soap until it's in, then I'll just pour it down like normal. Clean all of this really nice before we put the new one in. Okay, I'll find the hole, bring it up, and then take this piece and spin it into place, making sure not to strip the threads. With a washer on either side, I'll go ahead and tighten it up again. I'll put the bottle back on now that everything's secure. From the top, this is extremely secure, so we'll go ahead and add soap into it. Put the top in. I'll transfer the soap from here, fill the bottle completely up. Put the top back in, make sure that it works. Once it's primed, we're ready to go.